In this video, we want to solve for x by using the quadratic formula. And in a previous video, I showed you where the quadratic formula comes from. And the quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and those two terms divided by 2a. So what we need to do is identify a, b, and c from our equation before we can substitute. But notice that this expression is not in standard form, meaning it's not equal to 0. So first, let us rewrite this equation as 2x squared minus 28x plus 8 equal to 0. Now we can identify our a, b, and c value. Our a value is the coefficient in front of x squared. Our b value is the coefficient in front of x. And our c value is the value standing alone, or the constant. So when I substitute, I have minus b, which is negative 28. Notice that I substitute the 28 with the sign in front of it. Then plus minus the square root of negative 28 squared minus 4 times a, where the a value is equal to 2, times c, where the c value is equal to 8. All of that over 2 times 2. And now what you can do is plug this equation carefully into your calculator. But notice that you cannot plug in plus and minus at the same time. So you'll first set up the fraction and then only use a plus. So you'll find that x is equals to 7 plus 3 square root 5. And then for the second value of x, you won't use a plus, but you'd set up this whole expression again with a minus. And that leads to x is equals to 7 minus 3 times the square root of 5. And that is how we solve for x by using the quadratic formula. We simply need to rewrite the expression in standard form and then identify the a, b, and c value from that equation, substitute it into the formula, and then use our calculator to simplify. Notice that you can also find these values as decimal values. But it's good practice to leave your answer in simplest surd form.